Hey everyone, ever wondered how to let your team know you're busy, on a break, or free for a quick chat without sending a single message? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your status in Google Chat in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Google Chat on your browser or through the app. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture along with a small status indicator, which probably says active. Go ahead and click on active. This will open a drop-down menu where you can choose or customize your status. Now, if you want to create something specific, like working on a project or please don't disturb, select add a status. Type in your message and even set a time duration for how long you want that status to stay active. This feature is great if you're stepping out for a short break or focusing on an important task. But if you don't feel like typing, Google Chat has ready-made options too. You'll see things like out to lunch, in a meeting, or working remotely. Simply pick the one that fits your situation best. Once you've made your choice, hit done and your status updates instantly. Your contacts will now see your new message right next to your name, helping everyone stay on the same page. And that's it. Changing your status in Google Chat is quick, easy, and super useful for keeping communication smooth and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and stick around for more simple time-saving tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.